Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Rochelle Cueto. I am 35 years old. I am married and blessed with one child. He is a boy and his age is 10 years old. I am a high school graduate and I live in Mamburao Occidental, Mindoro. I have work experience here in Philippines for 4 years. On my first employer, I served with two adults and two children. I do household chores like cleaning, washing, do the dishes, cooking, and took care of children. On my second employer, I took care of one elder. I do the dishes, washing clothes, cleaning, marketing, cooking, and took care of elder. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family to have a better future. I am a flexible person, I am hardworking and trustworthy. To my future employer, please do hire me. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities very well, and I will always follow all your rules that you set for me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.